Hello friends, welcome to Technical Fast Forward. This is Vicky and today I will show you how to check any stock quotes from Money Control. So here when you come to moneycontrol.com, here is the first option over here, search quotes, news, NAVs. So for suppose you want to have a check for Reliance stock price check. So you should type over here Reliance. So here you can have a check Reliance Industries. So once you come in and here you go and here it is Reliance Industries. The closing price of today it is 911.55 for BSE and 909.75 for NSE. When you come down, you have this tab over here on the left side known as quotes, where you can have a check for announcement, corporate actions, financials, annual reports and everything. For peer comparison also you have an option over here for peers. Peers are the competitors of Reliance as per Money Control. So this gives you last price, market cap, sales turnover, net profit, total assets of the listed stocks over here. So here you can have a check and whatever stocks you need, you can just put in the name over here. Like the next stock is Arcom. So for this, go here, and Reliance Communication stock is over here. So for stock quotes, for closing prices, for open, low, high, everything, you will get it over here. 52-week high low is over here. Previous close for NSE, this is for BSE specifically. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and please be our subscribers. Thank you.